Yeah, my name is Kyle. I'm working towards an Associate of Science degree, specifically in welding. Welding really became a passion for me when I started to get into building custom motorcycles and custom cars. Doing that, I found out that this is something I really wanted to pursue and make a career out of, mostly with building custom vehicles, but also getting into a trade. As far as currently, I'm going to go get a job manufacturing trailers, and so I kind of want to grow my skills throughout that.
And how specifically has the UCC welding program helped you enhance your career in that?
So UCC has given me all the knowledge I could have asked for. The two instructors working together really gave me a solid foundation, and them putting all their effort and time into getting us the top-notch equipment here at the school just gave me boundless opportunity to learn multiple processes and different things that go into this trade that I'm going to be filtering into.
If any challenges, what challenges have you encountered through your time here?
I think all the challenges really came out to be more of successes. You know, a lot of this was pretty new to me because I was self-taught in the beginning, and each challenge just brought forth more knowledge and passion for, to grow this.
And what future plans do you have with your career with welding?
So currently I just landed a job. I plan on going to work for a company called Summit Trailers. I'll be heading their QC department and basically become a integral part of their company, just building things and expediting their processes and stuff like that. And I do have two LLCs kind of in the works right now, so I plan on having multiple side businesses with welding. So yeah, I plan on just kind of working a 9 to 5 and then getting my own businesses up and running in the meantime.